Greetings, Ascending Nation. So I'm coming to you with a pick a card reading. Okay, if you clicked on this video, obviously you were drawn to pile one. Okay, so definitely remember to take what resonates, what does not. Do not feel obligated to make it fit to your life or situation. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I use some random oracle decks. So let's begin. So for your crystal power one, we have topaz. It says this stone has an incredible amount of energy and can direct with pinpoint accuracy. It sheds light on your life path and lets you see clearly your mistakes and how to achieve your goals. It brings about self-trust and an abundance of confidence. Everything in your life looks clearer with this stone. Okay, and I just got a tap over by the window. So, something definitely significant about topaz here. Okay, something could be significant about a topaz necklace. I am picking that up. Okay, a crystal grid could be significant as well. All right. So, following that, we have lessons and blessings. Okay, so something could be significant about past life, karma, or karmic debt, or something like that. I'm picking up. Okay, something could be significant. Something could be significant about clear quartz because my clear quartz just failed, but something about crystal balls could be significant too. Okay, you could have been into that in a past life. All right, or it could be something that you're possibly into now. Okay, watches are significant as well. Okay, something could be significant about charitable work. I'm picking up also. Okay. I'm hearing like a center, like something could be significant about a center. Like I'm saying like a I don't know why I'm saying like a refugee camp. So something significant about a refugee camp, maybe. Okay. Following that, we have Lord Ganesh. Infinite abundance. Obstacles are being removed. Spiritual support and connections are increasing. Okay. So you could be someone who works with Lord Ganesh. Okay. Elephants could be significant as well. Hinduism could be significant also. All right. Something could be significant about Hinduism in a past life as well. All right. Offerings could be significant too with the lessons and the blessings card here beside Lord Ganesh. Okay. I'm also hearing something about something being recognized as well. I'm picking it up. Okay, some type of recognition, some type of seed sown, something like that. All right. Next, we have Paul Venetian experiencing grace. Okay, and I've been getting the word grace a lot, like a whole lot. So it says, share your gifts with grace. Waves of inspiration and love are coming to you. So, as I said before, something surrounding past life gifts or talents. Okay. And we have two cards here that talk about abundance, the topaz and Lord Ganesh. Okay. So something significant about seeds sown. That's what I keep hearing. Okay. Then we have the void. It says stop, embrace winter, great cosmic wound. So something could be significant about I'm hearing embracing the now. Okay, I'm hearing embracing the now. I'm also picking up something could be significant about winter, whether it was this past winter or this coming winter. Okay, so something about that. Something could be significant about some sort of void too. All right, like some type of emptiness. Okay, you could be feeling some type of emptiness. All right. Something being filled though with the void card following under the lessons and blessings card, and I'm getting divine timing as well with the clock that's on this card. Okay, you can't really see the face of the clock, but it's like an antique stopwatch. Something could be significant about anti or anti as well, but yeah. So we have Mother Rose returning to each other, compassion, humanity. All right, and the Paul Venetian experiencing grace card has a rose on his chest. So something could be significant about roses. Something could be significant about love. Okay, the flower could be significant. Something could be significant about a rose offering, maybe. Okay, as well. And then this is giving me too that lessons and blessings and past life work, or something you used to do in a past life. So following that, we have some random messages. And so we have keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. Keep going. Okay. Following that, we have the letters W and Z. So something could be significant about those. We have spirit. Okay. So we did mention offerings earlier as well. Okay. Galaxies could be significant too, because this void card is giving me that something could be significant about astro travel as well. Then we have green. Okay, so something could be significant about the heart chakra. Something could be significant about abundance, in which we had two cards that came out that talked about abundance. Okay, gratitude could be significant too. I'm picking that up as well. Then we have amethyst. All right, so you could be working with amethyst right now, or you're being asked to work with amethyst. Okay. We have romance. Okay. We have karma. So something could be significant about good karma. Okay, I'm picking that up. Then we have birds. So you could be getting some type of synchronicities from birds. Okay. And then we have the numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. So something could be significant about any of these months. Okay, May, June, July, or August. Or something could be significant about the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, or the 8th of any month. Okay, so that's everything I have for you, Pile 1. I hope you letters. Sorry, y'all. So the letters that came out for you, Pile 1, are C, D, G, K, S, and U. Okay, so something could be significant about those letters. They could be the first, middle, and or last initial of your name, someone you're connected to, a state, a landmark, something like that. The first letter of a month, something of that sort. So I hope you enjoyed this reading, and I'll talk to you in the next one.